Number 5. Masterbuilt Portable Charcoal Grill and Smoker with Cart. If you're in the market for a top-notch portable charcoal grill, the Masterbuilt Portable Charcoal Grill and Smoker with Cart is an excellent choice. The standout feature of this grill is its innovative temperature control system, which makes maintaining a consistent temperature a breeze. The dial allows you to easily select a temperature between 250 and 500 degrees, and the built-in fan ensures that the grill stays within 10 degrees of the set temperature at all times. One of the major pros of this grill is its portability. The cart folds down easily, and the extendable handle makes it simple to roll around like a wheeled suitcase. This makes it perfect for tailgating, camping, or backyard barbecues. Additionally, the grill is spacious enough to cook for a small family, making it a versatile option for everyday use as well. As for assembly, while putting the grill together may be a bit time-consuming, it is not overly difficult. Think of it like assembling IKEA furniture. It may take some time, but the end result is well worth it. Another potential downside is the weight of the grill, which may make it less suitable for backpacking or hiking. However, the convenience and ease of use more than make up for this minor inconvenience. Overall, the Masterbuilt Portable Charcoal Grill and Smoker with Cart is a fantastic option for anyone in the market for a portable charcoal grill. Its innovative temperature control system, spacious cooking area, and ease of assembly make it a standout choice in its category. To experience the convenience and versatility of this grill for yourself, check it out now.